In this video, we're going to show you how to use the audio-visual equipment in the lecture theatres at the University of Surrey. First, let's take a look at the touch panel. If the screen is blank, tap to wake it up, and tap again to go to the main page. Let's start with setting the PC to display. Select the PC icon and two options will appear. These are to duplicate or extend your screen, which we will cover in more detail later in this video. Select PC and then select the display you want the PC to appear on. The projector will turn on once you have set something to display, and a counter will appear to show you how long the projector will take to turn on. The same procedure applies when using any available devices. Choose your input device from the top row of icons and then select your output display from the bottom row of icons. The selected display icon will turn gold and the name of the device set to display will appear below. Some rooms may contain one or more large format displays in addition to the projector. These LFDs are repeater screens located around the room for improved viewing from angled seated positions. When you first turn on the system, the LFDs will display the same as the projector. The LFDs will continue to show the same as the projector unless you manually set it to display something different, which can be done by selecting an input device and then selecting the LFD you want it to appear on. Text below the LFD icon will state if it is currently set to follow the projector. Let's take a closer look at the PC setup. The PC secondary setup can be used for viewing PowerPoint presenter notes on your monitor while only showing the slides on the projector. Here you can see the projector is set to display PC secondary and the monitor is displaying PC. If we set the projector to also display PC, it will show the same as the monitor. By default, PowerPoint will show your notes, but you can change this by going to Display Settings and selecting Duplicate Slideshow. The PC is located under the desktop. If the power button is slowly flashing on and off, this means the PC is asleep. Press any key on the keyboard to wake the PC. The DVD drive for the PC is located to the left of the PC. On the desktop, you have your USB slots for the PC, and there is a power socket for charging your own devices, such as your laptop. On the desk, you will also find an HDMI, USB-C, and mini DisplayPort cable for connecting your laptop to the AV system. There is also a network cable provided for use with laptops. To set the laptop to display, select Laptop from the top row, then select the cable you have chosen, and finally select the desired display. When using the visualizer, place your notes on the white area, face up, and reading from top to bottom in the orientation shown here. The visualizer can be controlled using the buttons on the device or by going to the control menu on the touch panel. Control options include zoom, focus, and turning the light on or off. The teaching desks have the ability to raise and lower the work surface to enhance ease of use. This can be adjusted using the buttons under the desktop on the right-hand side. Lapel microphones are available in all lecture theatres and in some small teaching spaces. These provide voice reinforcement in the room and are also used for Panopto lecture capture when using the resident PC. In smaller teaching spaces, these may only provide voice capture for Panopto and won't be audible in the room. Look for a sticker on the charging dock to tell you if the microphone is for lecture capture only. There are two styles of lapel microphone provided in teaching rooms. Both work in the same way. Microphones become live automatically when undocked. This is visibly confirmed by the green light. To mute, press the button on the front as shown here and the light will turn red to show it's muted. Press again to unmute. For best audio capture, position the microphone close to your collar and attach the power pack to your clothing. You can also tell if a microphone is muted by looking at the touch panel. The icons at the top left show you the microphone battery levels, if it is live or muted, and if it's on the charging dock. Here you can see mic 1 is charging and mic 2 has been undocked but is muted. The icon turns green when the mic is live, as shown here. Microphone volume can be controlled from the volume menu, found at the top right of the screen. Here you can adjust microphone volume or mute all microphones at once. The volume menu icon will turn red if mute is selected here. The main volume, which includes audio from the PC or laptop, can be adjusted from the volume menu or by using the arrows on the touch panel frame. In rooms with a lecture capture camera, you can record video of the front of the room into Panopto on the resident PC. You can control the position of the camera from the touch panel controls menu, where you have options to focus on the whiteboards, the teaching desk, or the main display. You will find the lighting options icon on the touch panel frame as well as at the top right on the touch panel screen, both of which will open an options menu for you to adjust the room lighting. In rooms without lighting control via the touch panel, look for a switch or button panel on the wall for adjusting the room lighting. Before leaving the room, please return both microphones to their charging dock and remember to shut down the AV system. This is done by using the power button on the touch panel frame and selecting Shut Down from the options on screen.